Hello everyone, this is Mavelin Chapolin, BSIT2A. Welcome to this new video of Activity 2.2.4 Network Representation. This lab does not include an addressing table. The objectives: exploring the PT interface. Locate the key components used to place device symbols in the logical workplace. Examine the devices that can be placed in the logical workplace and their symbols. Place and connect devices. Add devices symbols to the logical workplace. Connecting devices in the logical workplace using auto-connect connection. And here's the instruction of the activity. The first task is add devices to the logical workplace. The first step, selecting and placing devices. To add a device to the logical workplace, click on the specific device symbol, point to where you want to place the device in the logical workplace. The pointer becomes a crosshair and click. Locate the place the following devices in the horizontal row across the logical workplace with about an inch between them in order from left to right. Here's the devices that we're going to connect, that we're going to use. First is a server. And here's the area where's the devices. So, first is the server. Parang reset pala. First is the server. Second is a 2960 switch. The switches. Here's the switches that we're going to use. That we need only one switch, the 2960 switch. The third is 1841 router. The router, here's the router. Router 1841. Here's the 1841 router. The third is a hub. And here's the hubs. You just need only one hub. And the fifth is the IP phone. Here's the devices. Then you can see here the IP phone. And the last is the PC. And here's the PC. We only need one PC. Then the second step is connect the devices using auto-connect. Click on the connection group symbols. The specific connection symbols provide different cable types that can be used to connect devices. The first specific type, the gold lightning bolt, will automatically select the connection type based on the interfaces available on the devices. When you click on the symbol, the pointer symbols a cable connector. To connect two devices, click the auto connection symbol. Click the first device and then click the second device starting with the server. Connect each device to the device to its right using the auto connection symbol. And here's the cable that we're going to use for connection. And this is the auto connect cable. Just click the device, first device to the second device, and then next, and proceed. And the last is the fixing. And the third step is packet tracing scoring. You can see here the you can check the result here. Then you can see the result in the assessment items. Here is the complete activity, the complete result of the activity. So the activity is completed. The score is 20 over 20. So we're finished of this activity.